Hey guys, Chef Jason, your Ace Hardware grilling expert. Today, we're talking about the cast iron grill press on the Big Green Egg. Time to fire up the egg. Let's smash some burgers. We're gonna go ahead and get the Big Green Egg fired up today. We're gonna be cooking direct on our plancha. So our desired cooking temperature today, 450 degrees. So let's get it started, adjust it, and get it all ready, 450 degrees. What better way to break in this cast iron grill press than with some smash burgers on the Big Green Egg on our plancha? That's what we're up to today. But I'll tell you what, if you look at this press, one of the things I love, look at the handle. Folds down, store it in your drawer, folds up, giving you that ability to smash it. Got a nice big surface on here. And what I love about it, it's got some little dots, some little dimples on here, right? Those are gonna help hold that burger in place when it comes time to smash it. So, show you real quick how we get our smash balls ready. Then we're out on the grill. Time to smash. Okay, super quick. We need to make smash balls, right? Because we're gonna divide this into 4 equal sized burger balls, and then we're gonna take those out on the plancha with the press, smash them. One of my chef's tips I like to do when it's all mixed, I just like to go in here, kind of make a little line, divide it into 4, and then get these guys all ready. And then what I'll go ahead and do, roll them all up here, nice and neat, and right on to my cookie sheet. All right, let's give it a burp. We've got that plancha preheated. Time to get started here. So what I like to do, we'll set those smash balls down there, right? Give them a chance to get a little bit of crust. What I love about this burger press, right, is that we're gonna smash this down, expose more surface of that burger, get amazing crust. So we're gonna close it, let them go for just about a minute, seat that crust, and then we're coming back. Time to press them. All right, give it an open. Oh, look at that. Now, check this out. It is time, give it a smash. Push as hard as you want, get it as flat as you want. If it sticks, don't worry about it. Give it just a second, it'll fall right off. Another thing you could do, also put a little bit of parchment paper in there, but I'm good with this. Just go ahead and give it a smash, let that fall off. And, it's gonna be so great. All right, time to give these a flip. Like I said, the beautiful thing about that press, I exposed a lot of surface area of that patty, and we've got a nice, beautiful, solid little crust. So we'll finish these guys off. Then it is time to stack them, eat them. We are done. Look at those beauties right there. What a great way to break in your cast iron grill press on the plancha. And if you're looking for more information about that plancha on the Big Green Egg, that video is coming up next.